said I love you till the day that I die. They didn't have a clue it'd be their final goodbye. He deployed overseas, he saved a few lives, he saved his whole platoon, but he never made it back alive. Yeah, that's a hell of a price to pay for the freedom we all share in the home of the brave. But I guess life ain't always fair. I bet he'd do it all again if God gave him a chance. Please remember all the fallen ones who died for this land. Said I love him for the rest of my life. Died doing what he loved when he made that sacrifice. Yeah, all the ones that he saved that day, they all gathered around. They all shed their tears as they laid him in the ground. Yeah, that's a hell of a price to pay for the freedoms we all share in the home of the brave. But I guess life ain't always fair. I bet he'd do it all again if God gave him the chance. Please remember all the fallen ones who died for this land. Yeah, its cascade was wrapped in red, white, and blue. Yeah, they sent him off with a 21-gun salute. That's a hell of a price to pay for the freedoms we all share in the home of the brave. But I guess life ain't always fair. I bet he'd do it all again if God gave him a chance. Please remember all the fallen ones who died for this land. Please remember all the fallen ones who died for this land. No man's in alley. No man's in alley. No man's in alley. We're not meant to be alone. So honey, stop crying, 'cause I'm on my way back home. Yeah, I know things are hard. It ain't time that we are back. Yeah, finally realize that no man's in alley. No man's in alley. No man's in alley. No man's in alley. They don't like it when you're sober. They all act just like your friend. It don't matter what they're saying. They'll never understand the music, man. They don't care about tomorrow. Can't take back what was said. 3 a.m. fighting with your lady, staying out too late once again. Lord knows it ain't easy living life the way I do, sacrificing the right decision between the honky tonks and you. Honky tonks and you. Come early morning, my head's aching. Time and time again, her heart keeps breaking. Fewer words never spoken. Spend all day trying to fix what's broken. And then I say, Lord knows it ain't easy living life the way I do. Yeah, I guess I got my reasons with all the things I put you through. Lord knows I ain't perfect. The best I can's all I can do. Sacrificing the right decision between the honky tonks and you. Between the honky tonks and you. Between the honky tonks and you. Honky tonks and you. Honky tonks and you. Honky tonks and you. like mine. Yeah, the wheels they turn across the bridges you burn. Can I save myself from another hard lesson learned? Oh, and this soul goes down where nobody ever hangs around. And this soul goes down. Yeah, I'm right here, still hanging around the river in this town. And the soul goes down. Yeah, it's been a long, hard road, trying to get it right while you save my soul. Is it worth holding on to and letting go? One of these days I'm gonna get out of this town. Gonna pack my bags up and drop the hammer down from this old ghost town where nobody ever hangs around. In this old ghost town, yeah, I'm right here, still hanging around the river in this town. In this old ghost town. Where nobody ever hangs around. And this old ghost town, yeah, I'm right here, still hanging around the river in this town. In this old ghost town. Where nobody